OK，我 roughly 同你 go through 個discuss 嗰度啦嚇，最重要其實都係個 information 喺個 exhibit 嗰度咯。OK 啊，同埋你 present 個 format for 你個 report 個 format 咯。OK 啊，so introduction 好似我講咧，就應該要包括呢三樣嘢咯。哦，so 第一樣嘢就 MPV 咯，咁你係講叫佢 refer to 個 appendix 咧，咁我攞到係 positive 嘅 MPV 啦嘛，咁啊 based on financial ground 嘅話咧，就應該 accept 嘅，你一定要寫翻嗰個 statement 㗎，OK 又要 accept 嘅嚇 financial ground 嚟㗎嘛，OK 啊，跟住就係 follow by 個 assumption 咯，follow 嘅 assumption，normally 咧就係我哋會講咧。你要一部分其實就要 mention 到係個 before 個 final decision 咧，就係有冇 option 咯。喺個第三個 mind map 啦，如果你睇翻第三個 mind map 咧，我已經放咗個 format 嗰度噶啦。OK 啊，就可以 mention option，跟住你可以 mention 到咧就係嗰個 risk 嗰度咯。最後就我放係 other factor 啦嘛 ，other factor。OK 啊，咁除咗呢兩個好標準嘅咧，就係啲 issue 咯，on 個 ESG 啦嘛。就 ESG 其實我講你可以 from 你嘅 SBL 又好或者 SBR 又好咧。咁當然最好嘅 question，佢最好嘅答案其實係 from 呢個case 嗰個 information 咯。做個 case 嘅 information 其實喺 exhibit 3嗰度咯，第三個 exhibit 嗰度。OK 啊，所以呢個部分係叫你 discuss 有咩 issue 嘅啫。個 issue 已經係 mention 喺個 exhibit 3噶啦，個 issue 已經喺嗰度噶啦。我哋唔可以講喺 in general 喺邊啲咩 issue，係 in 呢個 case 佢已經 mention 咗噶啦。所以你只係要睇翻個 exhibit 3嘅啫。其實dream term phases concern 嗰個 performance in relation to 個 environment、social 同埋 governance 呢三樣嘢咯。OK 啊，咁喺個 exhibit 3咧，其實佢講佢嘅 governance 咧係 OK 嘅，咁就唔使 mention 呢個 governance 度，係呢兩個啫。呢個咧就係因為係冷氣啦嘛，佢有叫做一個 emission 嘅，係污染啊嘛 ，emission 嘅問題嗰個係一個 issue。social 嗰度係 people 啦嘛，所以佢講緊咧就係個 labour cost 嗰度，employee labour cost 嗰度咯。OK 啊，所以你只係要 handle 呢樣嘢，仲有一樣嘢佢 mention 到咧就係嗰啲 shareholder 佢 view 唔一樣嘅 view on 呢個 ESG 啦嘛。咁after 你 mention 咗個 issue 嗰度咧，其實已經係 pass 咗噶啦，即係講你係睇翻嗰個 exhibit 3，其實你 pass 咗噶啦。OK 啊，咁 after mention 咗個 issue 咧就係做翻個 recommendation 嘅，recommend 個 action 咯。OK 啊。So 我 highlight 喺呢度俾你啦嚇。So 個 investor 咯，佢有 different view 啦嘛。一啲就係講應該係 financial 重要啲。咁當然亦都要係 handle ESG 嘅，冇咁重要啦，你要 handle 翻個 financial。一啲咧就講你係要beyond 個 financial。OK 啊，亦都要 handle 呢樣嘢啦嚇，so 唔一樣個 view 唔一樣嗰度，呢個要有個 conflict 喺嗰度咯嚇，呢個當係一個 introduction，所以咁係 robust 嘅 governance system 啊嘛，所以 ESG 其中一部分係 governance 咯，咁governance 你唔使冇 issue 㗎嗰度，冇 issue，social 嗰度咧就係個 labour cost，個 labour cost 嗰度 ，OK 啊，咁仲有一個 issue 咧就係個 emission 呢度。OK 啊，所以其實係 social 同埋嗰個 environment，social 同埋 environment。OK 啊，所以個 report 就標準嘅咯，咁你最好係咁樣 work out 咯。OK 啊，所以呢個 part A 係頭先我哋 mention 咗啦嚇 ，roughly 咁樣你可以睇翻。我嘅 suggestion 咧就係你個 format OK 嘅啦嚇 ，to board of directors from 你唔好放自己嘅名啦嚇，你可以 create 一個名或一個 position 都得 ，subject 同埋個 date 係 date examination 一個 introduction 咁樣咯。咁唔好放 do recommendation 啦，咁你就 normally 係放 evaluation 同埋 analysis，evaluation 同埋 analysis。OK 啊，咁from 你嘅 spreadsheet 嗰度咧 ，from 個 appendix 咧係 positive 嘅。 based on financial ground 應該係可以 accept 嘅或者 undertaken 嘅。However 一定要放 however before make a final decision 要 check 翻啲 assumption， 同埋要 check 翻有冇其他啲 factor。OK 啊，呢度亦都有 mention 到個risk 呢度咯 scenario 係 handle 嗰個 risk 啦嘛 ，scenario 又得 sensitivity 又得sensitivity 又得 ，OK 啊 ，so 咁我就 list 咗啲 assumption， 佢係 assume 個 quantity， 佢已經 given 咗，咁佢點樣 work out 個 forecast 啊？你都要 challenge 佢噶嘛，同埋佢呢個佢 observe 到咧 year one 係80啦嘛。嚟到 year 4就160又 double 咗喎 ，within 4年咧佢可以 double 個 sales 咧，咁我哋唔知道佢點樣 work out 個 forecast 喺嗰度。OK 啊，數嗰個係 assume 嚟嘅，同埋佢俾到個 contribution 咧 assume 一個40%， 一個60%，呢個全部都可以。我哋 assume 我哋做個交咧，我哋 assume 佢俾個數字係啱㗎嘛。嗱，佢啲 information 點樣嚟我哋都唔知道。點我攞到個60% 40%，同埋要 assume 咧就係個 cost of capital 嗰10% 啊嘛。咁喺呢度有 discuss 到係咪你係 from domestic investment 你講10%，跟住你去 foreign investment 係咪又用翻嗰10%？我哋冇呢個 information， 冇呢個 information。OK 啊 ，so 你係 highlight 我哋做咗咩assumption， 跟住你可能要 challenge 佢咯。如果完全唔知，我冇辦法啦，我要 mention 到啦嘛。Tax return now value 頭先我哋講個 reducing balance 係當 realizable value， 咁我哋唔知 realistic in practice 係咪咁樣咯？係咪咁樣？跟住就係嗰個 exchange rate 嗰度咯，逐個咁樣寫落去咯。其實咁你係用 inflation 去 forecast 咧 ，long term 我哋講 long term 嚟講咧都 OK 嘅，但短期其實有其他啲 factor 喎。短期咧可能 interest rate 個investor 嘅 confidence 你嘅 balance of trade import export 呢個全部都會影響到個 exchange rate 嘅。我哋講緊咧，我哋用呢個 inflation 係 long term 去 work 嘅，但 short term 你知道政府會 interfere 噶嘛 ，intervene fix 咗個 rate 好多 factor 噶嘛，好多 factor， 你只係 mention 啫。你冇講準確唔準確，你即係 mention， 我哋係做咗個 assumption 啫。OK 咁最後佢就有 mention 到其他啲 assumption 比如講 tax credit sensitivity 嘢都有 mention 到sensitivity 你可以放 option etc 咯，OK 個 issue 一樣咯。頭先我同你講咧就係 conflict 或個 investor。OK 咁你點樣 solve 咗呢個 conflict？ 咁 communication 變成好重要咯。OK 咁兩個 on ESG 咧，一個就係 social labour cost， 另外一個就係 emission 嗰度。呢條你可以睇啦，唔需要睇 exactly 一樣噶啦。最後佢就有啲 action 嘅啫。有咩 action so 佢 basically 應該係用緊個short analysis 咁樣啦做翻呢個 recommended action。我要知道 current 嘅 situation 點樣喎？current 係點樣？你做翻一個 position audit 啊嘛。而家嘅 position 係點樣咯 ？OK 咁個 view of 個 shareholder，OK 跟住就係basically 咧就係佢呢度講嗰個就係應該唔可以純粹係 financial 啫，應該係 beyond 嗰個啦Employee 有 mention 到，同時佢呢度有 mention 到咧，就係我哋都唔知道㗎。佢講咧就個salary 咧 in commercial 咧。其實佢係 pay relatively high 咯，佢assume 喺呢度咧就係 more than 個 average， 所以如果 more than average 嘅話咧，你講 ESG 嘅話咧，房嗰個 social 嗰個房咧，係咪你都要 offer 俾個 Andresia 咧 better than 個 average 咯？咁當然 average in commercial 係高過 average in 嗰個 Andresia， 佢係有 mention 到就係應該係喺第3個 exhibit 嗰度咯，佢有 mention 到嘅。OK 所以呢個全部咧你要睇翻個 information 嘅，淨可以 discuss 㗎，淨可以 discuss 到嘅佢講個 labour cost 佢應該呢度有relatively high 咯 in 個 commercial 嗰度，即係我哋 assume 係高過個 average 咯。咁佢係呢度嘅時候咧，佢有 mention 到咧，佢要 pay 佢哋咧就 average pay 個 average 咯so pay employee average rate 咧 for job in Andresia。咁average 喺 Andresia 係 低過呢個，咁你喺個 balance company 高過 average，你係咪呢度要俾多過個 average 咁係 open 嘅，open 嘅，你可以揾到咩 information 啊嘛 ，mention 咁就得 ，OK 啊 ，so roughly 個方面 OK 嘅我覺得佢呢個 assumption 佢 discuss 數唔係夠多，唔多啦唔多嗰度嘅。OK 啊，咁最後其實係咪要做翻個 recommendation？ 我哋跟翻個 requirement 啫，係咪要做翻個 recommendation 咧 ？recommend action 其實佢冇講要做個 recommendation 嘅，佢係 recommend action 咧 on 啲 issue 嘅啫。but 佢其實冇講到咧係咪要 accept 呢個 investment。but anyway 佢做咗一個 conclusion 喺嗰度咯。OK 一個 conclusion 咧其實就係個 on 個 investment appraiser peer support。OK subject to further scenario。OK OK 啦，佢冇 final， 佢只係講都要係做翻其他啲 analysis 嘅。So 後邊個 discuss 你記得參考嘅啫，參考，包括咗個 calculation 啦OK 呢個最重要噶啦investment appraiser。咁我哋 move on 啦第二個 question 咧就係 on 個merger acquisition 咯，merger acquisition 都重要嘅 topic 嚟㗎啦，個 area 嚟嘅。所以咁我哋而家翻去 question number 2嗰度，佢呢個部分其實都可以話咧係比較之前嗰啲 exam 咧，其實都好簡單㗎啦，可以講係好簡單。之前我哋 go through 嗰啲 question 其實好 complicated 㗎。OK So 就算你呢個 foreign investment， 如果你比較之前嗰啲 question 咧，呢個其實係我哋講好簡單㗎啦，好簡單。So 你一定要掌握到咯呢啲咁樣嘅 question So 咁我哋睇翻呢個 information question 2呢度啦question 2 question 3咧 normally 就兩個 exhibit 嘅啫啦兩個啫 OK 正常嚟講啦咁question 1 normally 其實最多 exhibit 係5個 exhibit 咯 question 1你見到佢得3個 exhibit 嘅啫嘛 OK so 咁我哋睇翻 exhibit 1So exhibit 1係做翻個 introduction 咧 from 呢度你知道其實係一個acquisition 嚟嘅 acquisition 兩間公司咯呢個應該係大間啲，佢係上市公司嚟㗎咯fitness 嘅 club 啦 fitness club 啦basically 佢係 high price high quality end of 嗰個 sector 啦，所以我哋講係 premium 㗎啦premium 嘅 OK跟住 discuss 少少咧就係佢嘅 company 嘅 structure etc 啦So 下邊呢度咧就係佢嘅 target 啦target 嚟嘅。So on 個 target 其實係呢兩個啫，呢兩個部分啫啦佢係比較 lower price 嘅 fitness club 啦同埋你可以講咧就係 private company 嚟嘅，同埋佢 basically 係一個 owner 咁樣啦呢個叫做 Gerd Marshall佢 own 咗90% of 個 share 嚟嘅 So private 細間呢個公司 OK 同埋 decision making 嚟講咧就得一個人 make 個 decision 嘅啫啦compare to Marshall 嗰度又係有個好多 investor 啦嘛，因為佢係上市公司啦嘛 OK So 佢有 intention 去 sell 呢個 company 嘅。其實個 Marshall 咧就係講咧就係 could be sold for appropriate amount。如果價錢啱嘅話，佢願意 sell 咗去。So 呢個 case 咧其實就係 willing buyer willing seller 咯，佢唔係 hostile 嘅 take over 嚟嘅hostile 都可以傾嘅呢個可以傾嘅 OK So 不過可能佢有需要放個 condition 喺呢度嘅啫，就係although he is willing to be involved in the management of combined company OK 如果係被收購咗之後，佢都 willing 係 continue 咯 OK willing to continue 啦咁Healthstock 呢度咧講咧就係 discuss 個 bidding 啦in the next meeting 啦So 就呢兩個部分嘅啦按呢個 Marshall 呢度，跟住就翻嚟呢個 Healthstock 咗咯 OK So 佢 group 埋一齊啫。So 呢兩個其實就係 discuss 咯 呢兩個 information 俾到你啫。咁樣當然你可以加份其他啲 information given 啦嚇，on 個 company etc。其他就有兩個 issue 喺呢度咧，就係佢講health stock 嘅 non-executive director 咧 want to be sure health stock receives sufficient value from 個 acquisition， 所以佢唔可以 worse off 咯，佢都要係有benefit 咯 after 個 takeover。所以你去講唔可以係個 gain 係等於零嘛，唔可以等於零嘅。OK 啊 ，sufficient 同埋要 sufficient 啦，足夠嘅 value。OK 啊 ，non-executive director are concerned about whether health stock will be paying a fair price for Marshall Co. and whether expected figure for the combined company will achieve 啦。咁你呢個 expected figure 咧，咁啊當然 based on 個 assumption 啊嘛。你記得你做咩 calculation 都好 ，evaluation 都好。你全部嘅 calculation 係 based on assumption 嘅，所以你就要 handle 個 assumption 嘅咯。一定係 evaluation analysis 咧，跟住你會 follow by 個 assumption 嘅。一定係咁樣嘅。whether 係 investment 又好 ，whether 係個valuation、merger acquisition， 全部都係咁樣嘅，或者係 whether 係 hedging instrument， 都係 based on assumption， 全部 calculation 係 based on assumption。所以你要知道啦嚇。最後咧就係 on 個 value 咯 ，synergy value 啦，或者 additional value created 啦嚇。所以係講咧就係 whether acquisition will achieve synergy 咧 on 呢個 chairman 個 chair 嚟嘅。所以講嗰個 difference 咧係個 culture 啦 ，lower quality of staff， 應該前邊有 mention 到個 quality of staff 啦嚇，冇咁好啦 ，compare 到喺 company 度。OK 啊 ，so culture lower quality of staff and 個 decision making。OK 啊 ，decision making。所以講呢三樣嘢咧就會造成有 integration 嘅問題 ，normal 啦嚇，你收購另外個 company 咧，一定最大嘅問題其實係 integration。咁你嘅 integration 冇咁 smooth 嘅話咧，肯定冇咁多 value added 嘛。咁我哋做個 calculation， 我哋係 based on 好 perfect 嘅 integration 啊嘛。咁到時咧你有 focus 有啲問題嘅話咧，咁當然你呢個 value 咧會被影響到，佢就係 mention 到啦，個 difference 係 from 嗰度咯，同時咧佢講咧 combine 咧未 lose current 嘅 customer， 佢 current customer 係 low price 嘅喎，low price 嘅。咁health stock 嗰度咧係 premium customer 嚟嘅，佢係 high price high quality， 呢個 low price low quality 嘅。OK 啊，咁呢個係好 appropriate 嘅assumption 啊嘛。OK 啊，話 price sensitive do not wish to pay increase in membership。所以其實佢成個嗰時佢冇 mention 到你 after combine 咗之後咧，到底你嘅名有冇改先？如果個名改咗，當然人哋一睇到係 health stock 嘅話，人哋一個印象嚟講，premium price 啊嘛。如果我收購咗之後咧，個名係 keep 一樣嘅話，我可以繼續噶嘛，嗰個冇問題啊嘛。我可以繼續 Marshall 嗰部分咧 low price， 跟住呢個咧就係 based on high price， 冇 information given 咯，就係俾你 discuss 嘅 open 啊嘛，俾你 discuss 嘅 ，OK 啊？所以講我哋講冇標準嘅答案啊，冇標準嘅答案啊。其他按個 discuss 嗰度，咁當然計數可以有標準啦嚇，係你係要 structure 可以嘅啫。OK，so 睇咗 exhibit one normally 我就會去睇個 requirement 嘅。咁你呢度 financial data 咪立一立咯嚇，我哋就睇翻個 requirement 嘅。Part A 就叫你計翻個 percentage gain 咯。in the value of health stock share。咁佢喺個 exhibit 2咧，佢有講到個 synergy 嘅，所以講 with 個 synergy 或者係 without 個 synergy，with or without 個 synergy， 所以你有兩個答案嘅，有兩個答案嘅 ，OK 啊，跟住咧 part B 就 discuss 個 concern which may be raised by non-executive director about 個 calculation， 其實我哋係講緊個 assumption。 因為呢個係 evaluation 啊嘛，所以呢個係個 assumption， 你去計呢個 percentage gain 嚟嘅。咁我哋就會 list down 個 assumption， 跟住我哋就要 challenge 個 assumption， 睇佢係 appropriate 或者 over 或者 under， 要用翻我哋嘅thought process 啦嚇。So 最後咧就係頭先講個 action 啦 ，overcome 個 barrier 就係佢頭先講個 differences 咧係因為 culture、lower quality etc 啦嚇。So 呢個係純粹 based on 個 exhibit one 最後嗰一段咯，最後嗰一段嗰度 OK 啊，唔使理個 profession mark 喺度嘅，因為佢會 incorporate 喺度。So 當你 time 嘅時候咧，其實係 based on 呢20分係 time 嚟嘅答案嘅呢個你可以攞咗去嘅 OK 啊。咁我哋睇翻我哋係要 percentage gain 啊嘛。in 個 health success with or without 嗰個synergy 咯，所以我哋要睇翻呢個 data 噶啦 ，OK 啊。So 個 percentage gain 咧，其實就係個 synergy 嘛，你點樣分嘅啫嘛，點樣分嚟係唔係50-50或者40-60咁樣咯？所以你跟翻一個 format 咯，就好似我哋 knowledge 咁樣跟翻個 format 咁嘛。OK 啊，當然係我哋要睇翻呢個 information 啦嚇。佢講 current market value of equity 咧210，呢個我哋 assume 係啱噶啦，因為佢係上市公司啦嘛。上市公司我知道佢股票股價係幾多啦嘛，咁我乘咗 number of share 咧，佢就俾到210。我哋當佢係 fair value， 因為佢係上市公司。OK 啊。Marshall 嗰度咧，我哋可以 challenge 嘅 ，OK 啊，因為佢呢個唔係上市公司，佢係 based on 方法啦嘛 ，valuation 嘅方法。咁佢 valuation 嘅方法呢度咧，佢講係 based on free cash flow，assume 個 growth rate 係5% 嘅 ，OK， 呢個我哋可以 challenge，OK 啊，所以講 estimate 咗佢嘅 value 係呢個嚟嘅，同埋個 growth rate 係5%，based on 呢個 assumption。OK 啊，所以我哋當係啱先，做個 calculation 當係啱先，跟住最後再 discuss 嘅，就245.8咯。If the acquisition goes ahead，combine 係幾多咯 ？combine 會係幾多？所以佢就俾我哋咗呢個 forecast 咯。咁當然我哋 assume 呢啲數字係啱噶嘛，跟住你淨係 challenge 佢啫。So year 1 to year 4，就俾到呢個 forecast 啦個 revenue 嚟嘅，個 revenue，OK 啊，咁revenue in year 1，OK expected to be the sum of the revenue in the most recent year of health stock etc 啦跟住再加多5%，就呢個數字咧230係 based on 最 recent， 我哋當 year 0又好啦 ，health stock 再加多 Marshall， 跟住再加多5%啦，就攞到呢230嘅，230 ，OK 啊，咁after taxation 咯個 cash flow year 1 to year 4個after tax 咧係22% of 呢個 sales 嚟嘅 ，OK 啊，又係 similar to the margin with health stock has risen 少少，所以我哋 assume 呢個22% 咧，我哋係攞 health stock 呢個。嗱，咁你要問呢個 question 啦，我哋係 based on combine 嘅時候咧係22% on health stock 嘅，咁呢個 Marshall 咧有冇22%？咁我咪可以 challenge 咗 ，OK 啊？因為佢俾到個 Marshall information 咧，佢講佢做到冇咁好喎，咁可能係少過22%，咁意思係講我哋計呢個數字咧，我哋已經 overestimate 咗 ，overestimate 嘅，但做 calculation 當然係 based on 呢22%。嗰啲係個 discussion 嘅，你要喺裏邊嗰個係 discussion 嘅 ，OK 啊？所以呢個係 after tax 咗啦。Combine 又需要到 additional investment in non-current asset 7.5，OK 啊 ，in year 1， 跟住就係 0.45 every $1 increase in sales revenue in year 2 to year 4嘅 ，OK 啊？So 我哋講 free cash flow 嘅話咧，如果你記得嘅話咧，就喺個 mind map 應該係第4個 mind map 啦嚇。我哋講 free cash flow 嘅話咧 ，free cash flow to firm 啦嚇，係等於你嘅 net operating profit after taxation 啊嘛。suppose 係加翻個 depreciation 嘅 ，OK 啊，跟住你係減咗個net reinvestment 啊嘛。你睇翻嗰個 equation 啦嚇。跟住你係減咗個 changes in 個 working capital， 我放 working capital 就好啦。OK 啊 ，so 你呢個係 free cash flow 嘅嘛 ，free cash flow to firm 啦，free cash flow to firm 嘅。so 佢呢個 additional investment in non-current asset 咧，就係呢個 net reinvestment 嚟嘅。OK 啊，咁佢呢個咧，你加翻咗 depreciation 咧。就係已經係 cash flow 咗噶嘛，因為 profit 呢度咧又包括咗又減咗 depreciation 啊嘛，跟住我哋加翻 depreciation， 所以呢嚿數字咧你講係呢個 post-tax operating cash flow 嚟嘛 ，OK 啊，所以佢俾咗呢嚿數字，跟住佢同你講點樣計呢個咯，點樣計翻呢個咯，其實所以呢個就冇 mention 到 working capital， 係 assume 意思係講嗰個 working capital 可能唔太過重要咯。你都要寫落去嘅喎，你因為你計數 suppose 成個 equation 係咁樣嘅嘛，所以我要知道個 equation， 所以我知你漏咗呢個，咁你要記得啦，佢應該冇 mention 到 working capital， 係咪 working capital not significant 咧？或者係 not significant， 意思講係咪等於 roughly 等於0啊？咁樣咯，你咁樣嚟 discuss 嘛 ，OK 啊？so 標準你一定要知標準個 format 啦，個 equation 一定要知道嘅 ，OK 啊 ？so 點樣計咧？就係 0.45 咯 ，per every dollar increase in sales revenue 咯 ，OK 啊 ？revenue post tax 同埋 additional investment 咧 ，after year 4 same as in year 4。即係維持住一樣咯，即係冇 growth rate 咯 ，growth rate 等於0啦嘛。所以佢嘅 terminal value 我計得到㗎啦，佢 growth rate 係等於0啊嘛。我哋有一個 terminal value 㗎嘛 ，OK 啊 ？so 跟住就係頭先我哋講個 requirement 嗰度咧，就講個 synergy 啦嘛，就係呢個 revenue cost synergy，OK 啊？佢俾到18.6啦嘛。就係講 with 呢個 synergy 同埋 without 個 synergy 啦嘛 ，with and without 啦嘛。我哋計呢個嘅時候咧，講 with or without 嗰個 synergy 18.6啊嘛。所以你有2個答案咯，有2個答案。OK 啊？cost of capital given 咯，如果 cost of capital given 咧，一定係 free cash flow to firm 嘅。如果係 cost of equity given 咧，有可能 free cash flow to equity 嘅 ，OK 啊？所以如果計呢個 given 嘅話咧，其實俾到一個 firm value 啦嘛。free cash flow to firm 你就攞到個 firm value，OK 啊 ？firm value 咯 ，firm value 嘅意思即係講咧，其實係 debt 加 equity 啦嘛。debt 加 equity， 咁佢就所以佢俾咗你一個 ratio 咁樣咯。個 debt 係15% of 個 firm， 咁equity 咧係85%， 即係15% 85% 就攞到個 firm value 啦。so 咁當然我哋要 discuss 嗰時候 for 呢個 question， 佢俾到全部都係 equity 㗎嘛，咁我哋要 find out 呢個 equity 佢都做定，我哋知道個 percentage gain for 個 shareholder 係幾多咯 ，for health stock 啦其實係 ，OK 啊？ so 佢講個 offer 啦，佢講佢係可以接受160咯，160嘅話其實係多少少嘅啫，即係話係 from 145咧.8，佢係去到160嘅啫嘛，咁唔係好多嘅啫 ，OK 啊？ so 佢就可以 accept 咗。normally 咧其實 target 嘅話咧，佢哋可以接受其實係20% 到40% 嘅。 佢所以你見到其實佢係應該少過20%嘅，少過20%係咪呢間公司出咗問題咧？你都可以 challenge 㗎嘛，或者係咪個股市冇咁靚咧？或者係股市係落緊或者咩？我哋唔知道，我哋需要個 information 啊。點解佢只係接受咧160就 OK 咗嘅 ？OK 啊，呢啲 comment 我哋都知道㗎啦嚇。OK， So Healthstock board believe that Healthstock shareholder expect gain at least 15% from 呢個 combination 啦。其他最少要15%from 個 acquisition。所以呢個佢要係160，呢個係15啦嚇。咁我哋就可以 work out 嗰個 percentage gain 啦嚇。So 咁當然我哋係一定要知道你 combine 咗上嚟個 synergy 係幾多咯嗬？正常嗰個 valuation 出嚟嘅 synergy，OK 跟住再加多呢個咯，再加多呢個，OK咁我就 set up 咗俾你先啦嚇。So 個 idea 好簡單啫啦就係我做個 working 咧，我每次 work out 都一樣噶啦，就係我會 find out 嗰個 equity value of 個 acquirer， 即係個 Healthstock 嗰個啦嚇。跟住咧就係 equity value 標準噶咯嗬 ，of 呢個 Marshall，OK 跟住佢 combine 上嚟咯 ，equity value 啦of combine 嘅 business 啦 ，OK 咁呢個都可以放一樣咯，equity value，OK 我可以放啦嚇。就呢我要 work out 兩個啦嘛 ，OK 就一個就係 with 個 synergy， 一個就係 with 嗰個 without 嗰個 synergy 嗰度咯，因為我要 work out 個 percentage gain 啊嘛 ，OK so 咁我哋可以放咧就係 synergy，OK 呢度我又放 with 咯。跟住呢度咧就係個 synergy， 呢度就係放個 without 嘅。咁最後我哋可以 work out 咧就係嗰個 percentage gain percentage gain。OK， so 呢個部分其實係 given 咗噶啦 ，equity value 嗰度係 given 咗嘅。所以我哋只要放在我哋 assume 係啱噶啦就呢個係210啦，210啦given 咗嘅。跟住呢個咧就係145.8又係 given 咗嘅 ，OK 咁其他我就要 work out 噶啦所以我哋又要用個 free cash flow 嗰度咯 work out 咯所以我呢度可以放咧就係比講我放係個free cash flow 啦係做翻個 value of 個 combine 啦combine 咗個 business 啦用個 free cash flow 嚟嘅 so 係俾到我哋 revenue 咯我哋要係個 cash flow 出嚟先啦revenue 跟住佢就係一個 post tax 咯 post tax 嘅 cash flow OK 跟住我哋要減咗個 net reinvestment 嘅 OK 咁我哋就攞到個 free cash flow set 咗個 formula 先啦即係標準嘅，跟住你記得佢有個 terminal value 嘅，咁呢兩個加上嚟咧，我哋叫做 total free cash flow， 兩個加上嚟咯，咁佢就係我哋用個 function 咯，就攞到個 firm value 咗噶啦，so 一樣咯，我哋又係可以 with，OK 跟住就係個 firm value。又係 without 嗰個 18.6 嗰個啦嘛 ，OK 咁之後係可以 transfer 噶啦so 你嘅given 到啦so 呢個係C 係10噶啦1、2、3、4啦so 個 revenue 咧我就俾到就係230嘅，呢個係個230俾到啦呢個全部 given 咗噶啦242，跟住就係255，跟住咧就係269嘅，跟住佢講咧就係 post tax 嘅話咧就係22% of 呢個 sales 啦 ，so 22% 乘咗呢個 ，OK 咁copy 咗。飛咗過嚟，跟住佢講個 net reinvestment 嘛，咁net reinvestment 咧，咁你可以睇翻佢嘅explanation 數佢講咧就係year one given 咗7.5咯，OK 啊，咁你要減咗佢出嚟啦嘛。之後咧就係 every $1 increase 咧就會有net reinvestment 45%咗，即係45%咯，OK 啊。做頭一個係負7.5咯，呢個係 given 咗嘅。咁啊，第二年咧，我哋就睇個 increase 係幾多先。所以我會係開括弧啦嚇，我攞呢個 sales 啦，OK 個 increase 幾多先啊嘛。所以你減咗呢個，佢自動已經係負咗嘛。佢其實係多咗12蚊喎。咁每一蚊咧，你要俾45先啊嘛，即係45% 咯。所以我就會乘咗45%。佢呢個 description 咧，好多時候都用呢個 description 嘅。所以你一定要記得呢個 OK 啊。就係要加多5.4咯，之後你可以 copy 咗就攞到其他嗰啲啦嚇，跟住就係加上嚟3咗上嚟咯。OK 啊，你3上嚟當然係唔係 revenue 啊，係 after tax cash flow 嗰個，跟住就減咗呢個嘅，呢兩個43.1，所以你可以咧就係 copy 咗 paste 咗上嚟，我就攞到個 free cash flow 啊。咁你講之後其實同 year 4一樣咯，咁意思係講咧 year 5又係52.88，year 6又52.88咯。咁你係仲有個 cash flow 噶嘛？咁嗰個就叫做 terminal value， 只係個 growth rate 係等於0嘅啫。OK 啊，咁我就記得我哋放喺 year 4嗰度，就係呢個係 year 4，亦都係 year 5啦嘛。咁我可以攞呢個數字，跟住就 over 咗個 cost of capital。OK 啊，個 cost of capital 佢係俾到咧係等於幾多個 percent？OK 啊，就呢個11% 咯。所以11% 你減咗0，即係11% 噶嘛，所以就係19% 就得噶啦。嗰個就係 terminal value。OK 啊，因為 growth rate 係0。OK 啊，咁我哋直接咧就係攞 year 5等於 year 4啦嘛。就你除咗個11% 就得咗嘅。OK 啊，咁我而家我哋加上嚟啦，就3咗上嚟咧，就係呢個 free cash flow 再加多0個 terminal value 啦嘛。OK 啊，跟住呢度咧 copy 咗 paste 咗上嚟，做without 先咯，我哋未加嗰個18.6啦嘛，咁我放喺 year 0啦 ，current 呢度啦嚇 ，without 呢度先。OK 啊，咁啊我哋用個 MPV 嘅 function 咯。11% comma 咗，已經係 year 1咗噶啦呢個嚇，跟住嚟到呢度，咁我哋就攞到呢個就係嗰個 firm value 嚟嘅。咁 firm value 咧，咁我哋就係可以 split 去咗出嚟咯，就係 equity 嘅話咧 ，equity value 咧 of 個 combine 嘅 business，OK 啊？就應該係呢個乘咗85%，OK 啊？咁呢個又係 without 嘅 ，OK 啊？咁我要 consistent 啦嚇，我係 cut 咗佢落嚟，放咗佢落嚟呢度，跟住呢度又係 equity value，咁呢個係 with 嗰個18.6，OK 啊？So 個18.6已經係 present value 咗噶啦，已經係個 revenue 同埋 cost synergy after tax present value 係18.6啊，所以我直接咧就加嗰18.6就得噶啦 ，OK 啊 ？So firm value with 嗰個咧，我用呢個加18.6就得噶，等於呢個再加多18.6，OK 啊？咁呢個咧一樣咯。我就係攞呢個數字咧乘咗85%，咁啊攞到呢個411咯。咁我而家可以 transfer 咗啦嚇。So synergy 呢個係 without 同埋 with 啦嚇 ，with 就係equity 嗰個啦嚇，呢個跟住咧就係 without 就係等於呢個嚟嘅。OK 啊，咁我哋可以計翻嗰個 synergy 啦嚇， 即係 after 全部咯嚇，個 synergy 會係幾多啦？with 嗰個18.6就應該你 combine 咗上嚟咧，係多過呢兩個加上嚟嘛？幾多先？就呢個減咗呢個145，再減咗210，其他就有56。咁呢個咧就 without 嗰18.6噶啦嚇，就你攞呢個減咗145，跟住再減咗210，咁啊當然係少啲啦嚇。咁你而家可以用咧就係個 offer 啦嚇，佢話咧就係佢 indicate cash offer 160。So 如果佢係160嘅話，我放喺呢度啦嚇，個 offer 係160，OK 啊？咁個 gain 咧，我放呢度啦 ，gain for Marshall。OK 啊，跟住我呢度放 gain for Healthstock。其實我哋要嘅答案係呢個嘅啫 ，gain for 個 Healthstock 嘅，我做翻多一個俾你嘅啫。OK 啊，做你睇翻佢嘅 question 咧，只係 percentage gain in the value of Healthstock 嘅啫 ，with or without 嘅啫。OK 啊，所以我會係點樣咧？係我呢度知道咧，就係、如果係160嘅話，佢埋 gain 嗰個 difference 咯。OK 啊，個 gain 會係幾多啦嚇？我攞160減咗呢個145，佢嘅 gain 係14.2啦嘛。from 邊度先？梗係 from 呢個 synergy 啦嘛。咁個 balance 咧咪會俾個 Healthstock 咯。OK 啊，所以呢個 gain 咧就係呢個 synergy。OK 啊，你減咗呢個14.2啦嘛，乘翻嗰個咪俾嗰個 Healthstock 啦，佢又攞到41，呢個一樣咯，其他又係160，其他咁樣當然呢個又係因為個 offer 係160嘛，所以呢個就係嗰個 balance 咧就俾呢度啦，所以呢個係40減咗14.2，所以佢呢個26咯，咁我哋可以計翻個 percent 噶嘛。佢嘅答案佢要係 percent 嚟噶嘛？幾多個 percent 咧？如果係41.82咧，嗰個係 dollar 嚟噶嘛？咁個 percentage gain 咧就應該呢個41呢度 over 個 original 210，呢個就19%咯。咁呢個咧就 without 個 cost revenue 嗰個咧就 over 呢個210咧 ，sorry， 就呢個係等於26點幾除咗210，咁呢個只係12%嘅，所以除非個 cost 同埋 synergy 入咗嚟咧，佢淨可以達到佢 minimum 需要到嘅15%，因為佢係呢度有寫到咯，所以 from 嗰度咧你就可以 discuss 啦。所以你見到係at least 咧，佢係要15%嘅 ，at least 要15%嘅。OK 啊？所以如果我哋睇翻佢嘅答案啦，咁當然佢嘅 working 同我係完全唔一樣啦嚇。佢呢個係OK， 我哋睇翻佢145.8咯。OK 啊，跟住你係466 whatever，我哋最後我睇過咧就係 estimated market value combine 係484.6喎。OK 啊，加埋個18.6，所以你見到484.6啦嘛，就係呢個數字嚟嘅，下邊呢個嚟嘅484.6啦嘛，或者1.5啦，跟住呢個咧465呢個數字嚟嘅。OK 啊，就再乘咗85% 啊嘛，就係396。396，其實個 gain 就係19.9或者20% 咯。其實跟住呢度咧應該12% 嘅咯。我哋要嘅係呢個同埋呢個啫，其他你可以當全部係 working 嚟嘅。OK gain 啦，呢度係個 paper base 嚟嘅。 嗰邊，你唔好跟翻佢 format 啊，因為拆開咗嗰個 from year file 嗰度咧52.9啦嘛，after 咧又係52.9嘛，OK 啊，跟住佢 work out 一個 factor 出嚟，咁咪再 work out 唔使㗎，我哋就攞嗰個 cash flow 咧，就用呢個 cash flow 就直接就攞到個答案㗎啦，跟住用個 function 就得㗎啦，所以唔好跟呢個format 啦So 你要 check 嘅其實就係個 after tax 同埋你個net reinvestment 嚟啫，net investment，OK？做下邊 8B 就係個 discuss 咯，按嗰度。所以你睇有咩想問所以2個鐘其實係，所以我講咧，其實係冇可能錄晒全部3個 question。2個 question 其實都好即係都急下嘅，都急下嘅。所以有咩 question 想問？所以你見到喺 Part B 呢度，其實佢係講緊個 assumption 嘅啫啦，同埋 Part C 你又要 refer 翻喺頭先嗰個 exhibit 1或者 1嗰度咯，detail 你有睇一睇啦
Daniel Sir，你頭先做嗰個 format Daniel Sir，你頭先做嗰個 format 會唔會 send 出嚟？
我 send 俾你成個 send 俾你，嗰個 Excel 全部 send 俾你。
好。
答案全部 send 俾你。早期我就同你講，我會 send 俾你
因為有時做 past paper 咧，我其實係唔記得咗個 format。係
OK。咁你同我講邊一個你做咗你冇嘅，我 send 俾你。
係嘛？free cash flow 咧，即係頭先嗰條啦，同埋NPV 個 format 咧，我都係因為唔記得咗，所以我用咗自己個 format。
我就見到點解好奇怪咁樣嘅。唔係我好似係go through 啲 question 嘅時候咧，我有 go through 一樣嘅 format 㗎嘛，你忘記咗係咪？
係啊。
我唔得喎，我一定要記住嗰啲。But anyway，你之前你做咗又應該包括尋日你 send 俾我咧，因為我真係我立一立嘅啫。So 我 send 俾你好冇？
好麻煩你。
嗰4個 setting 咯。
好
得冇問題冇問題，好 OK。因為係嘅，因為你抽都抽唔切，又因為睇到又忘記咗咁樣 ，OK 得冇問題，可以咁除咗仲有咩問題？嗰個question 3我會，其實 question 3好 straightforward 啦，but anyway 我 send 俾你啦同埋我做翻個 recording， 不過我可能要，因為過年啊嘛，係嘛，我可能星期一咁樣星期一。
冇問題。
好。OK 啦，好冇咩，我哋就下個星期5再見。